Hi, in today's video I will share some tips with you all to help you select skincare products for acne prone skin. Hi, I'm Dr. Radhika Kopikar, dermatologist and founder of Kopikar Dermatology Skin Hair Laser Clinic in Mumbai. In this video I will help you select the skincare products which will go with your oily or acne prone skin. Clogged pores lead to acne. So the simplest thing that you can do when selecting a skincare product for yourself is look for the label saying non-comedogenic or won't clog your pores. These set of products will mostly suit your skin. Also, keep in mind that scrubbing your skin is not good. Scrubbing once in a while, maybe once a week, with a very soft, small particle, gentle scrub is fine, but regular scrubbing of skin can worsen acne. So choose your face wash accordingly. Make sure your face wash is gentle and again non-comedogenic. Moisturizers are important for you too. Yes, even if you have oily skin or acne prone skin, moisturizers may actually be required because they help in preventing dryness of the skin and also in preventing the peeling. Especially if you're under treatment for acne or undergoing certain procedures like chemical peels or lasers, it will be a good idea to use a gel-based non-comedogenic moisturizer for your skin to keep it hydrated and healthy. Daily use of sunscreen is also very essential. Because you have acne, you have raw surfaces which are more prone for damage under the sun and UV rays. Therefore, a use of non-comedogenic gel-based matte finish lightweight sunscreen is excellent idea for you because this will help prevent sun damage and dark spots. Now that we've covered your cleansers, your moisturizers and your sunscreen, the last part in your skin routine may be your makeup. So yes, make sure that your makeup is not oily, it should be water-based, non-comedogenic so that it doesn't clog your pores leading to dark spots and increase in acne. If you have acne on your forehead or your temples, your hair oil may be the reason. So make sure you apply hair oil only to the hair strands, not to your scalp. Don't leave it on overnight and clean your scalp well after you have oiled it. Do not allow your hair to fall on your face because these things will again lead to blocking and clogging of your pores leading to acne. Unless your hands are absolutely clean, make sure you do not touch your face. Repeated touching of the face is a known factor for flaring up of acne. Also, make sure that you remove your makeup before you work out or before you go to bed. Please avoid sharing your makeup and the makeup applicators with other people. This is known to cause infections and increase in your acne. Regularly wash your pillowcases and anything that comes in contact with your acne prone skin, such as your mobile phones. Stress can lead to excess sebum production in your skin. You can keep your stress levels under check and manage it by exercising regularly. Sleep is also very essential, so ensure good quality restful sleep every day and see that how your skin will behave better and your acne will come under control faster. So take care of acne. If it troubles you too much, do consult a dermatologist. There are excellent treatment options available which will help cure acne faster and leave your skin back to normal. If you like this video, do like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, you can mention in the comment section below and we will be happy to help you. Take care and see you soon.